Have you ever wondered how your cells stay clean and organized? How do they deal with waste, break down harmful substances, or even store nutrients? The unsung heroes of your cells, lysosomes, peroxisomes, and vacuoles, are responsible for these crucial tasks. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of these cellular structures, exploring how they work and why they're so important for life. Stick with me until the end, and we'll uncover their roles in the cell's daily activities. Now, you might be thinking, we hear a lot about the nucleus, mitochondria, and ribosomes. But what about the other parts of the cell? These organelles, lysosomes, peroxisomes, and vacuoles play incredibly important roles. Together, they help the cell stay healthy, keep its environment in balance, and contribute to overall cell function. Let's take a closer look at each of these organelles and their essential roles in cellular processes. Lysosomes, the waste management system. Let's start with lysosomes, often called the cell's garbage disposal system. Lysosomes are small, membrane-bound organelles filled with enzymes that break down waste materials and cellular debris. They act like cleaning crews, removing old cell parts and unwanted substances. You can think of them as tiny recycling centers inside the cell, breaking down everything from food particles to damaged organelles. When a cell gets older or has damaged parts, the lysosomes break down these components so that the cell can either reuse the material or get rid of it. They also play a role in apoptosis, which is the process of programmed cell death. If a cell is damaged beyond repair, lysosomes help break it down in a controlled way, preventing harm to the rest of the body. Now we are moving to peroxisomes. Peroxisomes, the detoxifiers of the cell. These are another type of organelle involved in keeping the cell in tip-top shape, but their job is slightly different. Peroxisomes are mainly responsible for detoxifying harmful substances. They contain enzymes that help break down fatty acids and amino acids, as well as neutralize free radicals, the unstable molecules that can damage your cells. One of the primary functions of peroxisomes is the breakdown of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a byproduct of various metabolic processes and can be toxic to the cell. Peroxisomes convert hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen, keeping the cell safe from this harmful compound. Think of peroxisomes as the cell's detox center. They clean up the mess that could otherwise damage the cell, helping it to stay healthy and functional. Now let's talk about vacuoles. Vacuoles, the storage units. You might be familiar with vacuoles if you've ever studied plant cells, as they are particularly large in plants. But did you know vacuoles play important roles in both plant and animal cells? Vacuoles are storage units inside the cell. They store a variety of substances, such as nutrients, water, waste products, and even pigments that give plants their color. In plant cells, the vacuole is especially important for maintaining turgor pressure, the pressure that helps the plant cell maintain its shape and rigidity. The vacuole does this by storing water and creating internal pressure within the cell wall. In animal cells, vacuoles are smaller and help with storing food, waste, and other essential materials. While you might think vacuoles are just storage spaces, they are crucial in maintaining the balance of the cell's environment, regulating the internal pressure, and contributing to cell metabolism. Impact of dysfunction and disease. To further understand why these organelles are so important, let's look at some diseases caused by dysfunction in lysosomes, peroxisomes, and vacuoles. For example, Tay-Sachs disease is a genetic disorder caused by the malfunction of lysosomes. This results in the accumulation of toxic substances in nerve cells, leading to severe neurological damage. Now here's a question for you. What would happen to a cell if lysosomes, peroxisomes and vacuoles stopped working properly? Only a genius can answer in the comments below. If you would like to watch my other lectures on topics like the lungs, kidneys, liver, brain and eyes, visit my channel to view my other videos.